Hello, today we will learn about transverse section of dicot stem. When we see the transverse section of dicot stem, the vascular bundle are arranged in a ring manner. The vascular bundle are present in a ring form. When we see this portion of vascular bundle, we will see how it looks from inner side. The outer layer is known as epidermis. Epidermis are uniseriate, tightly packed, thin wall, cutinized cell. Above epidermis, cuticle is present, and the epidermis bear multicellular hair. But in case of root, there was the presence of unicellular hair, but in case of stem, there is a presence of multicellular hair. Inner to the epidermis, hypodermis is present, and in the hypodermis there is no intercellular space, and the hypodermis cells are of collencamatous, and the hypodermis layer is 2 to 3 layer. Inner to the hypodermis, parenchymatous cortex is present. This layer is 4 to 5 layer. Inner to the parenchymatous cortex, there is a presence of endodermis, which is a single layer cell. Hypodermis, parenchymatous cortex and endodermis together known as cortex. Inner to the endodermis, there is a pericycle. The pericycle cell consists of two types of cell. One is a sclerenchymatous cell, another is a parenchymatous cell. The sclerenchymatous cell is present just above the vascular bundle. So here the sclerenchymatous cell is present just above the vascular bundle, and between these two vascular bundle, parenchymatous cell is present. The parenchymatous cell is squeezed between two vascular bundle, which is the vascular bundle which is in the form of rings. We are showing only two vascular bundle. So now let's see the structure of the vascular bundle or the arrangement of the vascular bundle. The vascular bundle of dicot stem are conjoint and dark condition, collateral and open. The vascular bundle of dicot stem are conjoint, means the xylem and phloem are present at the same radius. Here the xylem and phloem are present at the same radius. No separate radius is present in dicot stem, and the vascular bundle are in endark condition. That means protoxylem is present towards inner side and the metaxylem is present towards outer side, or the protoxylem is present towards inner side or central side, and the metaxylem is present towards the peripheral side. And collateral vascular bundle means the phloem is present towards outside and the xylem is present towards the inner side. An open vascular bundle means the cambium is present between the xylem and phloem. Thus, pericycle parenchymatous cells are squeezed between the two vascular bundle known as the medullary ray. And in dicot stem, pith is present. So this is all about the dicot stem. Dicot stem consists of epidermis, which is one layer, and above the epidermis cuticle is present. Epidermis bears multicellular hair. Inner to the epidermis, hypodermis is present, which is a collencamatous cell. Inner to the hypodermis, parenchymatous is present. Parenchymatous cortex is present. Inner to the parenchymatous cortex, endodermis is present. Hypodermis, parenchymatous cortex and endodermis together known as cortex. Inner to the endodermis, pericycle is present, and the pericycle cell consists of two type of cell, that is a sclerenchymatous cell and the parenchymatous cell. Sclerenchymatous cell is just present above the vascular bundle and the parenchymatous cell is present between the two sclerenchymatous cell or two patches of sclerenchymatous cell. The parenchymatous cell which is present or squished between the two vascular bundle is known as a medullary ray, and the vascular bundle are conjoint, endark, collateral and open. Vascular bundle are conjoint means xylem and phloem are present at the same radius. Here xylem and phloem are present at the same radius. Vascular bundle are in endark condition means protoxylem is present towards the inner side and the metaxylem is present towards the outer side. Vascular bundle are collateral means phloem is present towards outer side and the xylem is present towards the inner side. An open vascular bundle means cambium is present between the xylem and phloem. The vascular bundle, when seen in transverse section, the vascular bundle are found in form of ring. So this is all about the structure of vascular bundle. And pith is found in the dicot stem, or it is seen in the dicot stem. Thank you.